Iced coffee. Great. Great. Hey everyone, my name is Koté Green. This is going to be a quick tutorial. I just thought I would share it with you because I had this issue just a few days ago and I could not figure it out for the life of me. If you are ever in After Effects and you are, trying to type in some text or whatever and it will not pop up. It will not pop up. The issue you are most likely having is that there are some type of numbers or settings that are set in this character box. So what you want to do is go up to these three lines in the top right, click it, and go down to reset character. Once you do that, it will reset everything and it should debug whatever was going on, and after that you should be able to type whatever you need to type. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if it didn't help you, give it a thumbs down, and leave in the comments down below if you know of other solutions to this problem, just in case this solution doesn't solve the problem for someone else out there. Also, subscribe for more of this type of content, and I will see you back here for the next video. This is saltwater taffy. Have you ever had it? It's quite good. Except it gets stuck in your teeth, which is very annoying. Oh, follow me on TikTok, KotéMG. I'm having some crazy success over there. 36,000 followers. Mind blown. See you in the next video. I'm just like hunching over here. I need a better setup. This is horrible. It's like I'm up here. It feels like I'm just away from you guys. And I'm down here. It's like I'm in the action. I need a better setup. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. Subscribe,